Hi guys, it's V. Welcome back into my channel. If you doesn't know me, that's my name, V. Anyway, so today we're gonna do the what the heck are we eating? So today we're actually cooking. So I usually get some vegetable from this really sweet, nice couple. They're like older, they just stay at home, they're just doing gardenings, and so everything organic and everything is super cheap. But anyway, and it's one of the best things. They're like 2 minutes away from my house. So anyway, they called me this week and said they have a bunch of tomato. So I was just like, well, let's figure out we're gonna make something with tomato then. So we're gonna make some tomato soup. Well, tomato egg drop soup, Vietnamese style. All right. So let's go grab some fresh tomato and we're gonna make some tomato soup. Okay. Let's go. Oh my goodness.
But yeah, David's doing okay. He's not going to be able to work for till like August.
Oh my god, look how beautiful is this. This is all organic tomato. Look how, oh my goodness. Wow. And these are all grown by straw and just organics, no fertilized, nothing. So we got a 5 pound of tomato and some free one. They just love to give you some free stuff. But yeah, look. Oh, they look so good. Alright, you going home with me. So I got home and washed this tomato off and then cut it up to be smaller pieces like this, or somebody dice it out. I like this big big tomato, just so it's just easy to chew kind of a thing. So you need a pot for cooking your soup. You need 2 eggs, sugar, salt, and pepper, whatever seasoning you want. The tomatoes, as we already cut it out, and then some garlic. We have these, or you can use fresh garlic, whatever. My boyfriend just feel fancy with these big ones. But anyway, oh, and some oil. So let's get started. So first we turn it on, and then we have some oil in it, just a little. Okay. Then we're gonna put some garlics in it. I love garlic, so put a bunch, but whatever you want. I love the garlic smell. It smells so good. So I don't know, the fun fact is weird about me. I cannot eat fresh garlic, but I love cooked garlic. For me, the cooked garlic just tastes like potato. Like, it's weird. But yeah, that's how I feel. Anyway, We're just waiting, 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 waiting. Ooh, there you go. I hear some sizzling. Smelling good. Ooh, and now I'm gonna go cook some water. How's it going, guys? But you can use some cold water, but I just want to use some cooked water just to make the process faster. So by this time, I usually put some like meat or something in it, or no meat, whatever you want. Originally, they don't really like care about meat in this soup, but I love shrimp, so I'm just gonna put some shrimps in this. I'm already cooked, like I'm gonna already boil these because I love eating boiled shrimp. But what the heck, I can't eat two of my favorite food at once, so why not? Just put it all together. You can just use the fresh ones. I just already cooked them by accident because I want to eat them. Anyway, then you're gonna put all this in. Oh my god, I already tried this tomato, guys. It's like so sweet. I mean tomato cannot be sweet, but it's like tomatoey sweet. You know, like kind of, it's just kind of sour. It's not even like that sour. It's kind of sour and sweet. So you basically just saute it. You know, mixing this around, saute, saute. Look, I love the color. I like the color, so beautiful. So now you just saute it until it's like soft. You know, like it's cooked a little bit. I mean, I promise, guys, this soup is so easy. It's like less than 10 minutes cooking. I personally don't like to cook, so I just gonna cook whatever easy. I don't have time waiting for my food to be cooked. Period. So anyway, by now you can put some like salt and pepper and seasoning in it. Don't ask me how much I put in there. It's just for your reference. I just randomly put whatever I feel like. So that I put some salt. I love pepper. So let's get some good pepper in there. Add some sugar. Ooh, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar. Oh, honey, honey. You love that? I don't remember that song. And then a little chicken sauce or chicken seasoning. I think it's like Asian people and Mexicans, Spanish people use quite a bit of like chicken seasoning or some sort, because I can see them selling in the Asian market and in the Mexican market. Anyway, so that's what I put in. Some salt, sugar, pepper, chicken seasoning. It's getting there. It's getting soft. It smells so good right now. So we just let it cooking. Whoa. This gets soft fast. Okay, so it's kind of soft already. You can tell by like the skin, it's got like really soft. And now you're gonna put the water in. Oh my god, I love to eat this in fresh too. That's so good. You put the heat in high, okay? Just so the water can go to boil. See, that's one thing. Why did I do the hot boiling water? So the process can be faster. That's it. I mean, you can do like cold water. Who cares? But let's taste it and see how it goes. Ooh, bland. Ooh, guys, have some more. Ooh, look how beautiful the color is. Let's just get all the bubble out. Okay. I like it now. You know what? I love more tomatoes, so I'm gonna put more in here. But so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna beat this up. Let's see. Gonna have to break this out. I'll put a little water in here. This is how Vietnamese people do. I mean, at least Vietnamese people I know. You know, like here in America, you like to put milk. I guess, like for the traditional, we don't really have that much milk. Like it's kind of fancy food, you know, milk is kind of fancy. So we usually just put water. So that's what I did. I put water in here. Now we're gonna wait. It's boiling. So this is how you gotta make the egg drop. Or in Vietnam, they call it as cloud soup, or you know, like cloud in the sky kind of thing. So anyway, what you do is you pour this egg in slowly when you stir in it. Then you're gonna make like a string from the egg. So then you have the egg drop soup. So tomato, egg drop soup. Oh my god, look at these color. Like, beautiful. All right, you ready guys? Let's make some egg drop. Okay, one thing though, your pan should stay in one place. My pan didn't. Is it this handle? No, I hold this handle. Look at that. We have some like extra now. But there you go. You already finished your soup. So when you eat it, you can put a little bit of peppers on it. Or you can put like green onion or dill on top of it. I'm gonna put some dill to make this beautiful. Dill, where are you? Dill, dill. No, that's thyme. So no, we don't need celery. I will have dill in the bag, y'all. I just don't want to go grab it. Rosemary. Oh, how about rosemary? Let's do some rosemary because I like rosemary smell. There you go, guys. It's all done. Just now bring it out to the bowl and enjoy it. That's super easy 10-minute soup for you guys. There you go. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time, I think. There you have it. That's beautiful egg drop soup. Like everything, which is so soft. Like, look at that. It's all peeling. We got some shrimps in there, egg. So this is super easy, healthy soup. There you have my super duper easy soup for today. Yeah, there's something cooked with tomato. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoy my super easy egg drop soup, tomato egg drop soup. You know, it's very good for your stomach. It's not so good with heartburn, but yeah. Anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. I love you so much. Bye bye.